Welcome back, everyone. It's a rather blustery day, gross weather. Temperature's beautiful though. We're like 67, 70 degrees, somewhere in there. Just lovely from a temperature standpoint, but it rained last night. We're supposed to get more rain tonight, you know. So here's what we got. If you guys may recall, we had a giant pile of stone sitting here at one point in time. We've got the front yard pretty well dressed up. We've been working on that this morning, or early afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock now. Spent some time getting the front yard dressed up while we waited for the inspector to show. He just left. We got our final inspection approved, so now it is time to go backfill the field and start putting this yard back together. Right now it's a giant bombed out disaster, and of course, you know, I get to put it back together. Woohoo! That's what we got. So yeah, we tested the pump and alarm. Those are all working as they should. And the way they test these, if you've never been involved, it's kind of interesting. Each one of those runs has a little cap on it, as you can see. We drilled an 1/8 inch hole in one of those caps. So you turn your pump on and it has to shoot at least 8 feet out of the end of that cap, out of that 1/8 inch hole. We passed with flying colors. We don't have any problems getting it up on this screw. That's all I'm saying when it comes to the pressurized systems. So now it's backfill time. So I'm gonna spend a while backfilling all this stuff, making it look pretty. Yeah, we'll get what we can done, and what we don't finish, the boys will come back and finish tomorrow. Backfill time. So the idea here is I'm using some of the nastier material that had the old septic stone and junk in it. We'll put that low, and then we'll cover it over with the good stuff.